Many think starting a garden, especially with raised beds, is expensive, but it doesn't have to be. Building a durable, low-maintenance raised bed is about creativity, not cash. Use what you have, get resourceful, and skip the overpriced kits. We'll show you how to build a lasting bed and fill it smartly, all on a budget. This is about practical solutions, not cutting corners. Let's dive in and make gardening affordable for everyone. Why raised beds? Simple control and comfort. You choose the soil, not your rocky yard. Raised beds drain better, preventing soggy roots and rot. They're easier on your back and knees, no more endless bending. Forget the pricey kits. All a raised bed needs to do is hold dirt. Raised beds are about effectiveness, not perfection. With a little creativity, anyone can build one. Let's see how. Time for the treasure hunt. Repurpose and save. Look for free or cheap materials. Heat-treated pallets, old fence posts, reclaimed wood. Cinder blocks and bricks are durable and often free if you haul them away. Check online classifieds for leftover construction materials. Corrugated metal sheets or logs from downed trees work great too. The bed doesn't need to be pretty, just sturdy. Use what you find. Your wallet will thank you. Let's build with what's at hand. Pick a sunny, level spot. Most veggies need 6-8 hours of sun. Outline your bed with a hose or string. Build up the sides with your chosen material, wood, blocks, or logs. Aim for at least 12 inches deep for healthy roots. Suppress weeds by lining the bottom with cardboard, no gaps. The cardboard smothers grass and breaks down to feed your soil. No need for fancy tools or mortar, keep it simple. Once the frame's up, you're ready for soil. You've built a solid bed for a fraction of store prices. Filling the bed doesn't mean buying expensive soil. Use the lasagna method: layer sticks, branches, and logs at the bottom. Add leaves, grass clippings, and kitchen scraps, no meat or dairy. Alternate browns, carbon, and greens, nitrogen. Top with 6-8 inches of compost and some native soil. You'll save money and build rich, living soil. Your plants will thrive and your budget will too. Keep it easy. Mulch is your best friend. Add 2-3 inches of straw, leaves, or wood chips to block weeds and retain moisture. Build with durable materials so you're not rebuilding every few years. A solid bed saves time and effort long term. Dense plantings shade out weeds and reduce maintenance. Healthy soil means less fertilizing. Harvest often to keep plants productive and the garden manageable. A well-used garden is a low-maintenance one. That's it, an affordable, sturdy, raised bed anyone can build. Use what you have, invest in the soil, and let nature do the rest. The real secret is resourcefulness, not expensive materials. Now it's your turn. What will you build with? Share your ideas and budget hacks in the comments. The best gardens start with a little dirt and a lot of creativity.